Continuing the tour of the Maldives. This is Villa 450 at Lux, South Malé. I love that welcome back. I love the sockets and the USBs by the bedside. I'm going to take us first. Oh, I've got a television here. I'm going to take us first to the bathroom, which is enormous if I take the whole entity, because this is the walk-in closet and really scrumptious robe. It's so soft with a lovely hood on it. Oh my goodness, look at all the hangers. Well, I did see people come with enormous suitcases. I don't know why they need them, since people only wear t-shirts and shorts here. Never mind. And I'm going to show you the showers, because there are two. There's an inside shower and an outside shower. And the main bathroom, very attractive wood vanity surrounds, plenty of storage space here, and masses of towels, my goodness, and a Dyson. Wood flooring here, but a nice mat for me to do my morning exercises on. Back through the bedroom, which we've already seen, and look in the living room. I can look down at the little fish. Hello, little fish. I hope I see a stingray while I'm here. Isn't it fascinating how different the places are in the Maldives? This one knows that I love bananas. Yippee! I've got something nice to drink. I'm also happy that the drapes are hand pull. So sensible, because people use their hands to pull them anyway. This is definitely a place for those who like to have a good drink. Soft coloring, greenery, very, very nice. And I'm going to finish outside. If I can get out to my pool. It's a more difficult opening here. I'm not sure I can do it with one hand. So never mind. Yeah, I can, without wobbling too much. Here I am, and this is where I shall be swimming before it gets light tomorrow. Villa 450 at Lux, South Malé.